A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a shocking turn of events, the FBI has arrested Milwaukee County Circuit Court Judge Hannah Dugan, accused of aiding a man in evading immigration authorities. This incident marks a significant escalation in the ongoing tensions between the Trump administration and local authorities over immigration enforcement policies. The controversy began last week when Judge Dugan allegedly escorted Eduardo Flores Ruiz, a man facing domestic violence charges, and his attorney out of her courtroom through a jury door after learning that U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) agents were present and seeking his arrest. This action led to a dramatic chase outside the courthouse, where Flores Ruiz was ultimately apprehended by federal agents. The arrest of a sitting judge has raised concerns about the separation of powers and the integrity of the judicial system. Governor Tony Evers of Wisconsin condemned the Trump administration for its rhetoric, stating that it undermines the judiciary. "I have deep respect for the rule of law, our nation's judiciary, and the importance of judges making decisions impartially without fear or favor," Evers said. Judge Dugan was taken into custody on Friday morning and later appeared in federal court, where she was charged with concealing an individual to prevent his discovery and arrest, as well as obstructing or impeding a proceeding. Her attorney, Craig Mastantuono, expressed regret over her arrest, claiming it was not in the interest of public safety. Court documents reveal that Dugan was alerted to the presence of ICE agents by her clerk, leading to her visible anger at the situation. Witnesses described her as confrontational during interactions with the arrest team. The FBI affidavit indicates that Dugan's actions were unusual, as the jury door is typically reserved for deputies and in-custody defendants. Attorney General Pam Bondi criticized Dugan's actions, stating that she endangered the lives of law enforcement officers and citizens during the chase. U.S. Senator Tammy Baldwin called the arrest of a sitting judge a serious breach of the separation of powers, emphasizing that the nation is governed by laws that everyone must abide by. The Justice Department has previously indicated its intent to pursue criminal charges against local officials who obstruct federal immigration efforts, highlighting the growing conflict between state and federal authorities. As the situation unfolds, it raises critical questions about the balance of power and the role of the judiciary in immigration enforcement. Judge Dugan's arrest has sparked protests outside the federal courthouse in Milwaukee, with demonstrators expressing support for her and calling attention to the ongoing battle between local officials and the federal government over immigration issues. The implications of this case extend beyond Milwaukee, as it reflects a national debate on immigration policy and the authority of local versus federal law enforcement. As the legal proceedings continue, the public will be closely watching how this case unfolds and what it means for the future of immigration enforcement in the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.